Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. Turkish cold baklava making. Aluminum rectangular tray greased with butter. Doughs for baklava, roll out thinly. Doughs are rolled and expanded on a long rolling pin. Cornstarch is added between the doughs, shown in detail in previous videos. Then baklava dough is placed on the tray. Pistachios. Pistachios prepared in 3 different sizes are used: powdered pistachios, finely chopped and coarsely chopped pistachios. The biggest feature that distinguishes cold baklava from traditional baklava is the sherbet of cold baklava. I will show you how the sherbet is made in detail. I can say that it is a much lighter dessert than regular baklava. We are really behind in YouTube videos and I request you to give a like and comment to this recipe, and if you want to donate, you can leave a tip using the super thank you feature. Covering the pistachios with baklava dough. Slicing process. Butter. Baklava baking oven. Dried wood. Baklavas will be cooked after the wood is completely burned. Baklavas are completely fried. Now milk sherbet will be prepared for cold baklava. $700 of sugar. One liter milk. One liter of whipped liquid. After the sugars has completely melted, the syrup is set aside before it boils. The bottom of the baklava needs to be heated a little. Sherbet is added, but not all of the syrup is added. It is added slowly so that there is no dough formation, and it needs to be kept in the refrigerator for 2 hours. After taking the baklava milk sherbet, milk chocolate powder is added. It is decorated with powdered pistachios and can be used in materials such as chocolate chips and coconut. Being served. My preference is to eat with milk cream, the layer formed on the milk. Don't expect it to be crispy like traditional baklava. Of course, it's normal to have a soft consistency. Nescafe without sugar is nice with it. I recommend it. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.